What's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 to $200 reposting articles on Google. Hey, what did they say? Reposting articles on Google. Remember to hit the subscription button below so that you may not miss any videos on how to make money online. Here's, let me jump right now into. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can repost articles and make $100 to $200 by just reposting articles. How will that sound? That sounds to be very good. So we will just start with very simple things, and let me just walk you through everything that I'll be sharing with you so that you may stick around up to the end, stick around to the end. So I'll be starting by sharing with you some of the sites that pay you to write about general interest. That's I'll be showing you different sites, and then the second part will be I'll be showing you this site whereby you can just come here and take a look at the articles. After taking a look at the articles, you can see you have different categories of the articles, and then how you can repost them and what you can repost them. I'll also be sharing with you this second site, so make sure to stick up to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you the amazing tool that you can use to repost your articles, and this is through using Google Docs. How you can report these articles through using Google Docs. So great. So stick up to the end of the video because this is what I'm going to be sharing with you on the end. So let's just dive in first on the site, right? So as you can see, this is the site whereby you can get paid to write about general interest. And here's the thing: get paid up to $100 to $300 per post. For example, this is Vibrant Life. Vibrant Life is by a monthly magazine with a focus on healthy living, physical, mentality, and spiritual with a Christian perspective. So what you can do is you can just get onto this site and just stick around just in a little bit. I'm going to be sharing with you which site is this. You can just come on this site and choose different interests that you would like to write an article on. Or if you don't have any interest, you can just use my strategy, whereby on the next step I'll be showing you the site whereby you can just go take an article from there. You can just look at different general categories, take an article from that, come here on this site, take where it fits the best, and after looking at where it fits the best, you just copy that article from that part, then you come here, paste on it, and that's how you're able to repost it here, and that's how you're able to earn your $100 to $200. You can see $200 to $300 per post. And I want you to think, if it's per post, how many articles can you do using this strategy that I'm going to share with you? So you see, guide post $250 per post. And on this site, we have different passions, different interests. So sites that pay you to write about short stories, sites that pay you to write about politics, news, and entertainment. And so you have different sites that can pay you $200, $225, $0.50, 1.5 per word, up to $2,000 per post. This is Sun Magazine, right? $150 to $500 per post. And you can just come here, sites that pay you to write jokes. If you're someone who likes to write jokes, sites that pay you to write about education. Stick around, stick with me to this end of the video because I'm going to reveal in just a few seconds which site is this and how you can get access to it. So sites that pay you to write about religion, $25 to $100 per post, up to $115 per post, $315 to $420 per post. Site that pay you to write about specific topics, $250 per post. So $100 per essay. All right. So we have different interests. I'll not go through all them. Sites that pay you to write fiction, sites that pay you to write about parenting, sites that pay you to write about lifestyle. We have a lot of sites here. So which site is this and how can you get access to it? This is an amazing site. I usually trust it, and it's legit, right? And you see, get paid to write 101 sites that pay you 50. So let me just go back and show you which site is this and how can you go and access it. Just go on your Google and type money pantry. Money pantry. As soon as you type money pantry, you'll be shown these two options: money pantry, personal finance. Content that I'm providing in this video, do this: go down, hit the subscription button below, and also do me a favor, drop where you're tuning in from so that I may provide more content based on your region. Hit the subscription button below, and with that, let's get back to the content. Finance blog, and then click on get paid to write. So when you click here, it will send you directly to their general website, and you'll not be able to access the page that I've been showing you. It will bring you to a lot of stuff. But when you come and click get paid to write here, this is where it will direct you to this site, whereby it's giving you different options and different passions on what you're interested in. And this is how you're really able to, now from this, because you've identified which site you can get paid from, now the other site that you want to jump in on is this site, right? And what you want to do is stick around. At the end, I'm going to reveal which site is this and how you can really get access to it. So I want to show you something. You have different categories of different interest of different people on what they are talking about on the site. So you can see this is health, business, finance, travel, technology, home repair, computer, marketing, outdoor, family, entertainment, education, all this. So you can just choose any article from it. Here, for example, I love business a lot. Let me select business. As soon as you select business, you have different articles which are business articles. And consumer complaint, let's take a look, for example, at the first article on business. Consumer complaint, what it is and when to file it, right? New program launched by Microsoft for agriculture startup in India. Learn how to estimate residential property. Let's look at health. Let's look at health and see what they are writing on health. Some essential tips on eyeglasses frames for men. Wow, I'm sure this will be getting a lot of traffic from it. So stick around as I reveal to you how you can get access to this site also, and also make sure to stick around up to the end of the video, because I'm going to be showing you the tool on Google Chrome, how you can use that tool to repost these articles so that you may earn what I've showed you here, so that you may earn $100 to $200, $150 per post. So make sure to just stick around up to the end. So here's the site. It's known as Article Factory, and let's take a look on how you can just take advantage of this. For example, you took a look at some essential tips on eyeglasses frames for men. But let me give you a bonus, guys. Let me give you a bonus, and let me give you an additional site whereby you can just copy these articles from that site, and then at the end, just go to the tool I'll be showing you on Google Chrome and repost it. And this other site it's known as Enzyme Articles, right? Enzyme Articles. As soon as you Google Enzyme Articles, you click on Enzyme Articles. This is the first site page that you'll see. Submit your highly quality original articles for more exposure, credibility, and traffic back to your website. So what does this mean? These are very highly original articles written by different people. But let me give you a warning, guys. You don't want to come here and copy and paste this article to the site that I've shown you, because that will be plagiarism. You'll want to use the tool that I'll be showing you at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around up to the end, because that's the final process, so that you may not miss out, because this is a step-by-step process and you need to do it attentively. So let's take a look. For example, gaming, home-based business, internet and business, online, legal, real estate, relationships. Do you have health and fitness? Yes, here's health and fitness. Let's select health and fitness. You have acne, allergies, blah blah blah, all those things. So let's just take a look at one, acne, right? Let's click on acne. As soon as you click on acne, you can see acne articles, health and fitness acne, how to cope with your acne condition on a personal level. And then all you can do is take a look at what this article is writing. All right, you can also come here on this other article site, which is Article Factory, and still look at health and and search on a relating topic with what you want to do, knowing everything about acupressure as an effective health. All you need to know about, I don't know, that what a second swing of coronavirus in the fall could seem like, right? As soon as you click here, this really, it's an article that guides you, showing you all these things, and all you can do is come and take a look at this article. And now this is the last step on how you can repost articles and get paid $100 to $200 by just reposting. Hey, you don't need any technical skills, you don't need to understand all the techniques, or you don't need to be a guru. All you just need to understand is watch this video, follow these simple steps, and do the exact thing that I've told you. So the last part is you want to come here to Google Chrome, right? And from Google Chrome, you come to Google Docs. The Google Docs, you open the docs. Don't use Firefox because Firefox will not work. As soon as you click Docs, it will bring you this, and then go to Google Docs, right? When you click to go to Google Docs, you want to click a blank page. After clicking a blank page, this is what will happen. It will bring you a blank page. Then come to Tools. Here, this is the bonus, and I'm ending this video right now. And also at the end, I'm going to be sharing with you a secret tool, a secret business model that I'm using to make residual and passive income. What you can earn from this is just one-off payment, right? So if you want to get residual income, this is money that gets into your bank. This is money that gets into your pocket when you like it or not, and it doesn't come once. It comes residually when you're even asleep, when you're traveling, when you're vacationing with your family members. Make sure to stick around up to the end of the video, as I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get access to my business model and my mentorship. So let's get back to this. What you want to come here is you want to come on voice typing. Click voice typing, and the good thing about this is now you can retype the article and repost it now to the or to this site, the Money Pantry. You can now rewrite it on your own, repost it on Money Pantry. So let's, for example, look at health and fitness, right? So how to cope with your acne condition on a personal level. This article talks about how to cope with an acne on a personal level, mental and physical level. You need to start with yourself, yourself if you want to cure your acne. So you can just come here. You can just come here, and then what you want to do is click on this. All right, when you click on this, what you want to do is, after you've clicked on this, what you want to do is come here and then just read what this article is saying. And then this article talks about, I've already explained to you that, and then do this, click there. This article explains how to deal with acne on a personal level. Amazing, right? So all you want to do is just read everything and repost what you've read, and that will be your own article. Come here to Money Pantry and then repost it, and that's how you're able to make $100 to $200 from just reposting. So hey guys, thanks a lot for tuning in up to the end of this video. So I just want to give you my bonus. If you want to really make good sustainable income, this you can make this just for, this is a high front end commission, that is, you get paid only once. So if you want to get paid residually, if you want to get income that comes into your bank account over and over again residually, I'm having a mentorship program. I'm giving out my free courses. All I want you to do is you make residual income. This is money that comes in when you're traveling. This is money that comes in when you're enjoying your time with your family, when you're sleeping, and you cannot prevent this income from getting in. It gets in when you want it or you don't want it. All I want you to do is check the link below, whereby I'm talking about the #1 recommended way to make money online, the #1 way that I recommend to make money online. Check on that link in the comments below. I appreciate, and always remember to hit that subscription button below. Remember always to hit that notification button below, and remember also to comment where you're tuning in from, so that I may shoot more videos on how to make money and how they can really be of great help. So cheers, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in here. Have a good time. Bye bye.